Yamaha just did something unexpected. They've brought back a classic nameplate that defined a generation of riders, and it's been completely reimagined for the modern era. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 is making its return, and it's blending nostalgia with contemporary engineering in ways that might surprise you. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're exploring whether this lightweight legend deserves a spot in your garage. Design. The 2026 DT 175 pays homage to its heritage while embracing modern styling cues. The retro-inspired bodywork features classic DT lines, but everything has been sharpened and updated. The minimalist approach keeps weight down, and the slim profile makes it incredibly approachable for newer riders. Yamaha offers several colorways, including a throwback livery that'll make enthusiasts smile. The compact dimensions and upright riding position create an immediately comfortable feel that works equally well on pavement and dirt equable. Performance. The heart of this bike is an all-new 175cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that delivers punchy, accessible power. It's not about outright speed here, it's about usable performance and pure riding enjoyment. The lightweight chassis means this bike feels quick and nimble through tight trails and urban environments alike. Fuel injection ensures consistent running in all conditions, and the fuel economy is exceptional. The suspension setup balances street manners with legitimate off-road capability, making it a genuine dual-sport contender. Features and technology. Despite its budget-friendly positioning, the DT 175 doesn't skimp on essentials. A clear LCD display provides all necessary information at a glance. The lighting system is fully LED for better visibility and longevity. Yamaha has kept things purposefully simple, focusing on reliability over complexity. The result is a bike that's easy to maintain and perfect for learning advanced riding skills without intimidation. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 represents something refreshing, a bike focused on fun rather than spec sheets. It's accessible, affordable, and genuinely capable. Are you excited about this comeback? Does the DT 175 fill a gap in today's market? Let us know in the comments. If this review was valuable, hit that like button, share with your riding community, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth motorcycle content. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next one.